The Dynamic System Development Method, or DSDM, is a proven framework for agile project management and delivery, helping to deliver results quickly and effectively, and, over the years, has been applied to a wide range of projects, from small software developments all the way up to full-scale business process change. Although DSDM works easily and effectively on small, simple projects, it has always maintained a strong focus on the corporate, project-based environment to provide a grown-up approach to Agile in the complex corporate world. The approach grew out of RAD in 1994 and addressed many of the problems created by both waterfall approaches and RAD itself. The first DSDM practitioners recognized that sequential development models, like waterfall and rapid incremental development, both had strengths and areas they could improve. They aimed to combine RAD's ability to develop valuable solutions quickly with an understanding of the wider project context and the need for stakeholder engagement. Since its development, DSDM has been used on large and small projects in a wide range of project environments. It takes an iterative approach, encouraging project teams to complete each step of the project in just enough detail to allow the next to begin. Any shortfalls in detail are managed in subsequent iterations. DSDM allows detail to emerge and business requirements to change over time, and only manages details of the solution once sufficient knowledge of requirements has been gained. DSDM solutions focus on delivering immediate value to meet a business's immediate need, rather than trying to deliver for any potential situation, as a waterfall project typically did. These solutions are more likely to fit better with the business's needs and are easier to test and integrate into existing or emerging business processes more effectively. Development costs are only a small part of the total cost of ownership, so by developing simpler solutions that are fit for purpose and easy to modify, long-term costs are reduced. DSDM can be used to supplement existing in-house Agile approaches, such as adding a wider project perspective to an existing Scrum team's development process. DSDM can also be effectively integrated with other standards, such as Prince2, ITIL, or ISO. DSDM's main advantage over other Agile approaches is its stronger project structure. It requires basic project foundations to be agreed in early stages, allowing an understanding of the project scope, solution characteristics, and development method before development begins. This makes any unexpected situations less likely to occur once development work begins. Furthermore, this approach combines business solution development and project management perspectives, giving a rounded understanding of what needs to be developed. Finally, DSDM's broad description of required roles fits better with most corporate environments than other Agile approaches. Finally, DSDM aims to involve business stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle by utilizing iterative development. This means the business is better able to direct solution development and more likely to feel ownership of the solution as it develops. It also means the correct solution is more likely to be delivered on time and at higher quality. Collaboration between business and development roles should also ensure a smooth deployment of the finished solution.